Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I'm going to do a video walkthrough on the Sea Ray. It's year model 2022 SPX. Boat's equipped with the optional Mercury 200 horsepower engine. I love this tan interior color. You've got glued down Seadek back here, and then the snap down in the cockpit. Two-tone fabrics. Just look super high end to me. I love the color combinations. Flip up bolster, the woven and the seat cushions just kind of accents everything really well. Got storage below. That's the full mooring cover that goes on the boat. There's a carry-on cooler here. Got storage in here. He's got his life jackets and some pool noodles, but great storage through here. Man, I usually put beach chairs, that kind of stuff back here. When underway and heading out, this flips up like that for backrest. So if you are entertaining, anchored up, you can sit there and you got some back support. This is a stanchion for water skiing and wakeboarding. Index storage there. Take a look at the photos. You can easily fit skis, wakeboards in there. This boat has a lot of upgrades that we don't normally see. You've got the upgraded sound system. There's your subwoofer there. This lounge seat deploys to make a lounge facing aft, or you can flip it up, have a backrest for a passenger co-pilot when you're running the boat. Great storage here. Courtesy lights, flip those on. You got blue accents throughout the boat. You got under the gunnel here, both sides, and then you can see your accents throughout. Your cup holders, LED lights in them. Really nice. Boat's equipped with a Bimini top. It's in good shape. Got storage in this console. You can tell the boat's rated for 12 people. 65, 50 poundage. Storage in there. Coming over here, 26, a little over 26 hours. You got the Simrad glass panel display. Fusion stereo remote here. Let's just pop up, take a look at the bow. So this opens up, got designated anchor storage here. This pulls out and allows you to get on and off the boat. So molded step there, or molded fiberglass for stepping on and entry, step there that's molded with non-skid, and then on down into the boat if you're boarding on and off the bow. That would be the facing the back, or looked up on it and facing the forward there. Guys, this is a nice 21 SPX, like new, low hours. Got a few little marks in the upholstery it might clean up, stuff like that, but no rips or tears or anything like that I see. Boat's in Wilmington, North Carolina. It is kept off site. If you'd like to get aboard and take a look, give us a call to schedule an appointment. We look forward to hearing from you soon. The best way to reach me is my cell. It's 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video.